Hi children, good morning. How are you? So be safe and healthy at home, okay? Yeah. So this is a grammar video of 15th chapter. So kindly write neatly. Handwriting should be neat in your grammar book, okay? Yeah. So this is a 16th chapter. Simple future tense. What it is? Simple future tense. Okay, simple future tense. So what is future? What is the meaning of future? Which we talk about the future next day, about tomorrow, 10 days later, after 10 days, next week, next month, next year, okay? About the future. That is called as future tense. Got it? Yes. So let's go for the session. See, here they have given some sentences and below they have given the explanation. So first let me read the sentences, okay? Listen. Read the sentences. Vashim will meet the teacher tomorrow. Okay? Vashim will meet the teacher tomorrow. Tomorrow, kal. Okay? So about tomorrow. Talking about kal. कल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो दिस इज फ्यूचर टेंस. सी विल इज दैट. ओके, वर्ब विल. नेक्स्ट, आई शैल गो टू द बुक स्टोर ऑन मंडे. ठीक है, ऑन मंडे. शैल. ओके, सी द वर्ब शैल. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में शैल आएगा. विल बी इट इज पॉसिबल, विल बी आएगा. ओके, सो लेटर वी विल सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. I shall go to the bookstore मतलब book shop. ठीक है. And the next, Kiran is going to brush her teeth at night. ठीक है, going to brush her teeth at night. ये भी future tense है. यहाँ explanation is given. Listen here. The words in bold are verbs that are in a simple future tense. बोला था ना, ये bold letter है ना, वो सब verbs है. Future tense का verbs. Okay, future tense indicates future tense. We use will with all the nouns and pronouns. तो सब nouns and pronouns है ना, तो उनके साथ we will use will. See here. They will cook the dinner tonight. Tonight मतलब today night. आज रात को. Okay, tonight. Today night. So they will cook the dinner tonight. Grandma, grandmother. ठीक है, grandma will kit a sweater this weekend. Will kit a sweater this weekend. See, they are making the sweater. No, that kit matlab making the sweater. See, with the woolen or with the yarn thread, they are making the sweater. That is called a kit. Okay. तो यहाँ will is used. No, that's what it is given in the sentence. Next point, we use shall. So shall be we can use कर सकते हैं. See, we use shall with the pronouns I and we. So with the pronouns of I and we use shall. I shall go to the beach in the holidays. I shall go to the beach in the holidays. We shall invite Hemant to home with us to Puri in December. So यहाँ पूरी है ना, place का name. ठीक है, place का नाम है पूरी मतलब. So we shall invite Hemant to come with us to Puri in December. ठीक है, दिसंबर, इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर पूरी को हम इनवाइट किया है, सॉरी हेमंत को इनवाइट किया है टू कम पूरी. ओके, गॉट इट, अंडरस्टूड. तो यहाँ है ना, दिस वर्ब्स आर गिवन इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, सी हमने देखा था ना द थर्ड सेंटेंस पहले. हाँ, तो गोइंग टू, हियर इट इज यूज्ड. सी, वी यूज गोइंग टू when we have already decided, okay, decided to do something, or when something is about to happen. तो for two purpose we are using going to. What are the 2 points? Decided. Already हम डिसाइड किया है ना, तो for that purpose. और next is when something is going to happen, which will happen. For these 2 sentences we are using going to in a sentence. ठीक है, see, let us see the sentence. She is going to attend the summer camp. तो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि समर कैंप अटेंड करेगा. See, going to attend the summer camp. Okay, and the next one is I am going to sleep in a while. In a while मतलब in some time. Okay, in few minutes. In a few minutes I am going to sleep. ठीक है, I am going to sleep in a while. Got it? So this will happen. See, about to happen. Got it? Clear? तो this future tense है ना, बहुत बहुत easy है compared to past tense and what is it, present tense. ठीक है, यहाँ see the explanation. This exercise also very small. They are given only 2 exercise parts, so simple and easy. Let us go for the exercise part now. Change these sentences from the simple present tense to the simple future tense using will or shall. ठीक है, मैंने पहले ही बोला था will also we can use for the first person. ठीक है, see here they have used the gardener waters the plants. तो आपको यहाँ क्या देखना है, verbs देखना है and noun also देखना है. We have to use will or shall. See, the gardener will water the plants. यहाँ waters नहीं आएगा because ये present tense है and और answer it is in future tense, इसलिए यहाँ s नहीं आएगा. लेकिन हमको will third person है ना, तो for the third person sure पक्का हम will use करेंगे. ठीक है, sure पक्का we will use will. See, the gardener third person है ना, will water the plants. That's it, simple. See the next one. We fly kites in the evening. Okay, so मैंने पहले ही बोला था for the first person we can use will also. See, we will fly kites in the evening. तो I will, यहाँ उन्होंने नहीं दिया है लेकिन I will explain you. So first person मैंने यहाँ दिया कि क्या, first person we should use shall. हाँ, तो why we are using will मतलब it is possible or not possible, may or may not, chances. ठीक है, may or may not मतलब we will use for first person will. ठीक है, sure confirm मतलब we will use first person shall. Got it? So ये यहाँ नहीं दिया है लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है, so you just understand. तो यहाँ we may fly the kites or we may not, due to some work, due to some situation we may fail also, इसीलिए यहाँ will दिया है. ठीक है, so we will fly kites in the evening. बाकी सब you have to copy from the question itself. ठीक है, तो यहाँ subject देखना है and verb आपको डालना है. That's it. Got it? We will fly kites in the evening. The next one, Govind plays with his friends. तो क्या हुआ, Govind will play. तो please concentrate in verbs. यहाँ wherever yes is given in the question, आपको while writing in the answer निकलना है. ये yes है ना, you should not write yes. ठीक है, concentrate in that also. Govind will play with his friends. That's it. Easy है ना. See the fourth one. The shop sells fresh vegetables. तो the shops will sell fresh vegetables. That's it. मैंने बोला कि ये सबको नहीं लिखना है in answer. ठीक है, आंसर में yes नहीं लिखना है. See, because यहाँ क्वेश्चन प्रेजेंट टेंस में इसलिए yes दिया है और हम फ्यूचर टेंस में लिख रहे हैं, इसलिए we should not write yes. Got it? Father goes to office at 10 a.m. Father will go. मैंने बोला था ना ये सबको नहीं लिखना है, तो es you have to remove because he is, that is called plural. तो father will go, plural नहीं दे, present tense. Okay, father will go to the office at 9 a.m. Very simple, just verb alone आपको notice करना है and you have to add will. Okay, I celebrate Diwali with my friends and family. See, I will celebrate, that's it. Will celebrate, बाकी सब you have to copy from the question. I will celebrate Diwali with my friends and family. Friends and family के साथ दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, that's it. Raju helps his sister with her homework. Raju will help his sister with her homework, that's it. The leaves fall from the trees during summer. The leaves will fall from the trees during summer. Got it? Easy है ना? Very very simple and easy. Okay, and the next division, the last division, here it is. ये भी बहुत easy है. See, complete these sentences with will or going to and correct the forms of the verbs in the bracket. ठीक है, तो हमको क्या लिखना है? will or going to लिखना है. And if any changes required, मतलब from the bracket we can change also our answers. ठीक है, change भी कर सकते हैं answers from the bracket. See here, first one, I'll give the clue for this. This is very simple and easy है. Lalita has decided that she is going to move to Lucknow. तो यहाँ move it is given no in the bracket, तो move you can write like that. Going to, because she is going to. यहाँ verb दिया है ना, so wherever verb is given, so there you have to write going to. तो verb नहीं दिया है तो वहाँ आपको will लिखना है. This is very short form and clue है. Okay, that is correct also. Okay, that is even correct. तो she is, तो क्या ललिता डिसाइड किया? She has decided what? To move Lucknow, to go Lucknow. See, decided that she is going to move Lucknow, move to Lucknow. Easy है ना? See the next. Are you going to stay? So don't say ma'am यहाँ verb क्या what is that verb नहीं दिया है. Don't say. यहाँ are already question है ना, इसलिए are it is written in the front. ठीक है, तो are you will कैसे आएगा? नहीं आएगा ना. तो are you going to stay here during the winters? क्या आप विंटर में यहाँ स्टे करेंगे? दैट इज द मीनिंग. ठीक है, क्या विंटर में आप यहाँ स्टे करेंगे? तो आर यू गोइंग टू स्टे. ऑलरेडी आर यू आर यहाँ इट इज गिवन, तो हाउ यू विल राइट विल? नहीं लिख सकते हैं ना. हाँ, थर्ड वन सी आर है ना. दे आर गोइंग टू मेंट. मेंट, दे आर गोइंग टू मेंट है. मेंट मतलब रिपेयर. ठीक है, दे आर गोइंग टू मेंट दी टेबल क्लॉथ. टेबल क्लॉथ को रिपेयर they are doing. Okay, so they are going to mend the table cloth. मैंने बोला था ना, सी यहाँ verb it is not given, verb नहीं दिया है ना, तो क्या आएगा? will आएगा. बोला था ना, you can check also, the answer is very right and it is correct also. See, Sudha will meet. Yes, no changes, कुछ भी changes नहीं है यहाँ. verb it is given in the bracket, no, तो you can write directly the verb without changing. change नहीं होगा. ठीक है, Sudha will meet her brother this weekend. तो ये weekend को Sudha what her she will meet her brother. That's all. Very simple. See, it is given ना, मैंने बोला था ना. yes, see is given, तो क्या verb is given, तो going to will come. Jai is going to take the day off on Monday. तो he will move on Monday. Day of मतलब move on Monday, चले जाएगा. Okay, move on Monday. So Jay is going to take. Mother is verb दिया है ना, तो मैंने क्या बोला, going to. Mother is going to tie Newton's hair in the evening. See, यहाँ पीछे दिया है ना, tie Newton's name of a girl, ठीक है, hair in the evening. The cat will. See, verb is not given ना, तो यहाँ verb नहीं दिया है, so हमको will write. You have to write the will. Verb will you have to write. See, the cat will scratch. Scratch pronunciation क्या है, scratch. The cat will scratch the door if you don't let it in. तो you didn't let it in मतलब you didn't allow the cat inside, मतलब the cat will scratch the door. Scratch मालूम है, in its nail, cat's legs, fingers, that nail will be there, no? हाँ, तो with the help of that it will scratch, it will make a mark, ठीक है. Yes, got it. I am, see, I am given, no, verb given, तो क्या आएगा, going, ठीक है. I am going to send a gift to my friend. I am going to send a gift to my friend. Mini is, see, verb given है ना, verb is given, तो क्या आएगा, going. Mini is going to borrow. Borrow मतलब get, ठीक है. Borrow मतलब get. Pronunciation क्या है, borrow. Mini is going to borrow a book from the library. Mini is going to borrow a book from the library. So from library she is going to get a book, ठीक है. My teacher will finish. बोला था ना यहाँ verb नहीं है, तो हमको क्या लिखना है, will. verb दिया है ना यहाँ will, तो ये will हमको लिखना है. The teacher will finish this chapter tomorrow. Teacher कल ये chapter finish करेगी. Okay, so the teacher will finish this chapter tomorrow. So see, you can check also, wherever verb is given वहाँ आपको going to लिखना है, and if verb is not given मतलब वहाँ आपको will लिखना है. Got it? Easy है ना, very easy and simple. Understood? Yeah, here the session gets over. That's it. ठीक है, just write neatly and clearly. Handwriting should be very, very, very neat. Okay? Yes, until that, bye, take care, be safe at home. Okay? Thank you.